In Newsbank's Black Life in America collection, you'll find credible, vetted primary sources covering the impact and experience of African Americans as recorded by the news media from 1704 through today. More than 800 suggested searches help pinpoint influential events, notable people, and other topics of interest. For example, let's click on an era, such as the Civil Rights Movement. Then select an area of interest, zoom in. Let's click on Rosa Parks. Here you see the suggested search delivers relevant results. Prefer to create your own search? Enter your terms here. You can refine results by date, source, location, and more. Preview articles or begin reading. Citation information is clearly listed at the top. You can email, download, or share the article. Back on the results page, you can save your personalized search and set up an alert. You'll receive an email when new information is available. Black Life in America content is updated daily. Access is available anytime, in the library or remotely, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.